And so we are back, a continuation of the previous video. We are trying to look for the the grade point average and the total score, which we have here, average and total score. And so this is column 16 in the when we did a selection from C to column C to R, this 16. So this will be 15, 14, 13, 12. So all I just need to go is just to go to this place and go to average point, grade point average is 13. So they show me in percentage, and this one is 12. Total score 12, and I just need to do this in percentage. And very good, we can actually make this also dynamic, pretty interesting stuff. We can look at the maximum and minimum and just adjust this accordingly. So I can see the maximum value of this place here is what, and I can still copy and say minimum value and paste here and say min. So let's say I want to divide it by, I will just look for the difference between them, and it's 160. Let's say I want to divide it by 5 into 5 places, so that would be 32. So I can see 767, and I'll put this 32 here, and I'll say equal to this guy plus this. Make it, I'll lock it, and I'll now say equal to this guy plus 1, right? And so I can click and bring it down and just just auto generate the next best thing. So we're stopping at 920. Okay, so 927, so which is here. So I have a fair value of what we want our range to be, and this can give us a guide. We can say between here and here is poor, between here and here is fair, in the middle is good, I can say very good, and excellent, something like that, just to give it a grade. So you see this guy here, I'm gonna do an if statement, a multiple if statement. I want to make this dynamic, right? So that if these total grade score fall in between any of these, you see a very good score, to say an excellent score, or um a good result, or a poor result, or a fair result, just to make this dynamic. A fair, do better, stuff like that. So how do I make this dynamic? It's pretty simple. I'll just introduce an equal sign and just put these guys in double quotation, do and do another double quotation. Now you might be wondering, did nothing change? Yes. Now what I'm going to do now is write an if statement. I'll say now this if is a multiple if, and I want to put multiple conditions. I'll go to my function bar, ifs, double click on it, the logic state comes up, and I want to add another function here, and I'll say if this guy, I'm going to lock it, is greater than or equal to, again I'll put the numbers, right, 767, comma, and if this same guy is less than is less than, I wouldn't say less than, I'll just say less than 800. So I'll put 800. Then what do you give me? So if this is true, say poor, I'm just gonna copy this, right? Paste. If it is between 800 and less than 833, that's this 833. Say it is fair, right? Paste. If it is between 833 and less than 866, so less than 866, 865, so it's just easy to do. Say good, if it is um 833, okay, so if it is 866 to 8, that will be 899. Then say very good. So the last one will just be this guy. I'm not going to use an and here, and I will not say equal. I'm not going to say greater than or equal to. I'll just say greater than 899. So anything greater than 899, 8 alright, I'll say greater than or equal to 899. Or I can just say greater than 898, right? Then say excellent. And I think I'm just going to put this here. I see this guy. I'll just copy this. Very interesting stuff. I'll just copy this. I'll come here where I kept the and. Instead of very good result, I'm just gonna put I'll just delete this guy. I'll put Control V, and I'll now say and I'm going to keep space and enter. So you can see it's very good result, right? So imagine if I change it to okay, still within the range. Let me go to the 5th person. So you see good, keep it up. I'm just supposed to say so again, I'm supposed to add result there, and I'm supposed to give space here as well, and I would say very good result. I'll say result, keep it up. That reminds me, I'm supposed to say comma, keep it up. If it is poor, I just come up with something. I'll just say try harder, just put another formula somewhere, try harder. That I can still copy the same formula and do the try harder, keep it up, try harder, stuff like that. Just a way to automate this, right? And it's one of the reasons why I love data analytics, automation, and from there you can actually move to a different kind of field like data science or data engineering. Would stop here for now and continue in the next session, in the next video, sorry.